Alright folks, you're welcome to Sweb Digit. My name is King James. Now if you're searching for your channel on YouTube and your channel is not popping up, the reason is because there are some settings that you have not done. For example, now my channel is ranking number 1 here. Now I want you to know that if you search on a browser that you already registered, if you search for your channel, it's not going to show like this. If you look at this channel now, sign in, it has not been signed in. I've not registered my ID there. That's my email is not there. Now I search for it, Sweb Digits, and it pop up as number 1. In fact, my full name is Sweb Digits Crypto. That's the full name. Now I only typed Sweb Digits and it popped up as number 1. Now if you come to a place where you are logged on already, if you search for it, it will show. So you'll be deceiving yourself, not knowing that your channel is not ranking. Now why is your channel not ranking? Let me show you the basic steps you're going to take. What you do is that you come to, for instance, now you come to customize. That's on your PC. Then what you do is you come to setting. Now under the setting, you come to channel. Now what you do is this: under this basic info, change the first keyword, try to make it the name of your channel. Like if you can see what I have here is Sweb Digits Crypto. Now that way you're making YouTube to be aware of the existence of your channel. Now you close it. This is one. Then you also go to basic info. Then under the about page, the description, okay, make sure that you write it there, because it's especially for those whose YouTube channel are new. Now change it to Sweb. You change the name also, give the names as welcome to Sweb Digit Crypto. You do it, so you're making your YouTube channel to rank, you're making it more popular. Now the last thing you want to do is come to your channel. For instance, now make sure that your video, go to video. For instance, pick one of your videos,
authenticate,
then come to edit video. Make sure that every video you are posting is carrying the name of your channel. Okay, now here under description, here you can, at the end of this place here, you can say Sweb Digits Crypto. So once you have your name showing on those most important places, then you can save it, then and go and search for your channel. You find out that your channel will pop up each time somebody searches for your channel. You understand? The reason why you may see it if you search it on your registered browser where you've logged on is because YouTube has already seen it there. But for a new user who has, even if the person has signed up, so long as the person is not signing up using your email, if he searches for your YouTube channel, once your YouTube channel is not once you've not set it that way, your YouTube channel will not pop up. So try it, folks. If you enjoyed this video, if you've learned something, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get some other videos that I'll be dropping as a drop. My name is King James. I'll see you next time. Thank you.